Hi, it's Karen, and we're here today to talk about School of Gardening. What we do is we set up and we have a class, and we're going to teach you about different things that's going on. So it's Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. Why are we doing this? We want to educate our customers. Say for instance, did you know that you could grow lettuce in the wintertime? Did you know that you can take table scrap and you can actually make beautiful compost to plant all of your vegetables or all of your plants outside? Knowing all of these different things is what gives us the skill to teach you all. That helps us to build a relationship with you. You don't always have to come to a class for us to be able to tell you what you need to do. We're always here. The experts are always available for you to come in. During the spring season, we're here 7 days a week. So in order to find out what classes we offer, you can go to our website at egardenplace.com. You can like us on Facebook. You can follow us on Instagram. So come on down to Evergreen and join our Evergreen School of Gardening class so the experts here can make you an expert at your home.